Amanda Boutique is marketed as an online fashion store offering stylish clothing, accessories, and seasonal collections at attractive prices. The elegant product photos and frequent discounts can make it look like a premium boutique. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online boutiques legitimately sell fashionable clothing at competitive prices. A smaller or lesser-known retailer isn't automatically unreliable. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers dresses, tops, knitwear, outerwear, and everyday wardrobe essentials. Competitive pricing. Frequent sales and promotional discounts can make many products appear to offer good value, where the hype falls apart. Product quality may vary. The fabric, stitching, and overall finish may not always match the expectations created by the product photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online clothing retailers, sizing may differ between products, so checking the size chart is essential. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before placing an order, review the delivery times, refund policy, and whether return shipping costs are your responsibility. So, should you buy from Amanda Boutique? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the product photos or promotional discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.